Hey y'all, this is Georgia Peach Cooks and Creates, and I'm here today to share with you a recipe for salsa cheese pork chops. I hope you enjoy, and let's get ready for the list of ingredients. Alright, let's get started here. We are going to start with about 1.25 pounds of butterfly boneless pork chops. We're going to do 1/3 cup of salsa. Your choice, you can make it spicy. I prefer mild, so I'm using mild salsa. 1/4 cup of Rotel tomatoes and chilies, a teaspoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil, or you can use whatever oil you want, like canola oil. All right, we are turning on our electric eye here, and I'm gonna put it about on a 7. I go from low to high being 10, and I'm gonna get about a 7 so I can get a good sear on these pork chops. And we're gonna that's about it for the olive oil. Pour in that olive oil. Let it heat up for a few minutes, and then add your pork chops and go for about maybe 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. We're not cooking them all the way through, we're just browning them. Okay, as you can see, these are kind of loud because they're sizzling up good and they are browning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and add my 1/3 cup of salsa. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of my Rotel. And I actually think I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/3 cup of salsa. Excuse me, 1/4 cup of salsa, because that cup looks kind of skimpy for what's in the pan. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup. That looks a lot better. So you're then going to add your cumin. You're going to stir those together until it's nicely blended well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn down your your electric eye, or your eye. I turn mine down to about a 3. Sorry if it's a little loud. All you're going to do is basically sit this mixture into the crevices between the pork chops. And then flatten it out. Flip your pork chops into the sauce. And then you're going to let them simmer for about, depending upon your pork chops, I'm going to let mine simmer with a cover for about 12 minutes. So I'm going to put a timer on for 12 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when it's done. So, just to let you know, this is an Atkins type recipe with my own little version on it. I hope you do enjoy it. It is really good. We're serving this alongside a salad. So a nice low carb, healthy meal. If you like what you see, subscribe and like this video. And don't forget that I'll be coming at you with hauls, more cooking videos, and some DIYs. And my daughter's going to have some DIYs in there as well. So I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks. See you soon.